Hi guys, today I'm back with this little miniature cat mould. So I thought I'd try it out. I have mixed up some epoxy resin and I have added a black ultrafine glitter because I'm going to make little black kitty cats. So all I'm going to do is try and carefully fill up these moulds and we'll let it cure for 24 hours. Okay, I'll be back in 24 hours. Okay, it has been 24 hours. And that's the first little kitty cat. They're so cute. So if you're into all things miniature, I'll totally give this mould a go. All right. They'd be beautiful for the top of a computer screen or something at work. Oh, this one hasn't quite turned out. The tail has been chopped off a little bit. But very cute. Well, if you're looking for a miniature cat mould, give this one a go, guys. And catch me next time for some more resin mould testing. Bye, guys.